Welcome to AI Insights, your go-to source for the latest and most impactful developments in artificial intelligence. Today, we delve into the top 5 stories shaking up the AI world this week. From groundbreaking model releases to strategic industry moves, let's explore how AI is reshaping our future. First up, Anthropic has unveiled Claude 4, its most advanced AI model yet, reported by CNBC on May 22nd, 2025. Claude 4 represents a significant leap in AI capabilities, offering enhanced reasoning, creativity, and safety features. This new model is designed to handle more complex tasks, provide deeper insights, and generate more nuanced responses than its predecessors. With a focus on responsible AI, Anthropic has implemented robust safety measures to minimize harmful outputs, making Claude 4 a trusted choice for enterprise applications. The launch of Claude 4 positions Anthropic as a formidable competitor against OpenAI's GPT models, intensifying the race for leadership in large language models. For more details, visit CNBC. As Anthropic makes waves, another tech giant is expanding its AI reach in unexpected places. Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, is rolling out Grok AI tools across U.S. federal agencies, according to Reuters on May 23, 2025. This bold initiative aims to streamline government operations by leveraging Grok AI's advanced automation and data analysis capabilities. By integrating Grok AI into federal workflows, agencies hope to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance decision-making. However, this move raises concerns over potential conflicts of interest between private innovation and public policy, as critics question whether a private company should wield such influence over government technology infrastructure. The debate highlights the delicate balance between harnessing cutting-edge AI and maintaining transparency and accountability in public service. Dive deeper into this story on Reuters. While Musk navigates government integration, Google is making bold AI strides in its own ecosystem. Reported by Forbes on May 25th, 2025, Google's I/O conference was a showcase of AI advancements, including updates to Bard, generative AI features in Workspace, and new open-source models. Google unveiled significant improvements to Bard, its conversational AI, making it more context-aware and capable of handling complex queries. In Workspace, generative AI now assists with drafting emails, creating documents, and summarizing meetings, streamlining productivity for millions of users. Google also introduced new open-source AI models, inviting developers worldwide to innovate on its platform. This initiative highlights Google's strategy to embed AI across various platforms, reinforcing its commitment to democratizing AI and maintaining its leadership in the tech industry. For more, check out Forbes. As Google solidifies its AI foundations, OpenAI is collaborating on an innovative hardware-software initiative. OpenAI, in collaboration with design icon Jony Ive, has announced a new project, I/O, combining custom AI hardware with user-friendly interfaces. This ambitious initiative aims to bridge the gap between advanced AI capabilities and everyday usability. By focusing on intuitive design, I/O seeks to make AI tools accessible to creative professionals who may not have technical backgrounds. The partnership leverages Jony Ive's expertise in product design to ensure that the hardware is both functional and aesthetically appealing, while OpenAI software delivers powerful, real-time AI assistance. This initiative aims to simplify AI integration for creative professionals, potentially transforming workflows in industries like design, media, and entertainment. As these tech giants push boundaries, AI's potential economic impact is also making headlines. According to PR Newswire, AI could contribute $461 billion to the global healthcare industry by 2030. This staggering figure is driven by innovations in diagnostics, where AI algorithms can detect diseases earlier and with greater accuracy than traditional methods. Personalized treatments powered by AI are enabling doctors to tailor therapies to individual patients, improving outcomes and reducing side effects. Additionally, AI is streamlining operational efficiency in hospitals and clinics, automating administrative tasks, and optimizing resource allocation. This huge potential underscores the transformative power of AI in healthcare, promising better patient care, lower costs, and expanded access to medical services worldwide. AI is not just a tool, it's a revolution, reshaping industries and our daily lives. Stay ahead of the AI learning curve by subscribing to Useful AI Hacks to get your daily AI insights of AI news and updates. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now and join us on this exciting AI journey into the future of technology. See you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time